The main flaw of human law and the corruption within the court system. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The corruption comes from it being an adversarial system. The fact that it is an adversarial system means that the truth does not matter at the end of the day, and everybody else is looking out for their best interest in regards to percentages and making money. When it comes to the Crown attorneys, you have percentages of conviction rates that they're looking out for. I gave Ben Weiss, or that piece of shit Ben Weissman, whatever the fuck his name is, that Crown attorney from Selkirk or Winnipeg, I gave him the proof that I was being framed in 2021. I gave him the proof, the picture proof that I was being framed in 2021. And what happened? He dragged me through court for 3 fucking years. And at the end of that, he threw out the court case because that fucker knew I was being framed. But the truth didn't matter to him. He was just trying to cover his own ass by making sure that he wasn't going to lose in a court of law by throwing out the court case in the first place. So that's where the corruption for the Crown attorneys are. Bam. And as far as the defense attorneys go, it should go without saying that the defense attorneys are corrupted by money. Obviously. If I had given a fucking defense attorney like $10,000, that person would have went to work and that person would have made a Crown attorney his bitch, and that totally would have exonerated me and freed me of the 2024 status that I wrote that got me into trouble from now until 2029. But if it wasn't for the fact that Ben Weissman wasn't listening to me in the first place, then none of this would have happened. But the main corruption is that truth does not matter in a court of law. That is the main corruption. And as long as we remain an adversarial system, the Crown will always be corrupted by percentages and the defense attorneys will always be corrupted by money. And we need to change that as a system and find a way to bring truth back into justice and work as a team.